In this video, we'll show you how to use the metronome on your Garmin Instinct in case you need to train at a specific pace or keep a certain tempo. So basically what we'll do here is start by pressing the GPS button, and we'll choose one of the activity profiles. Here we're going to do a run profile. Selection, we're going to press and hold the menu button right here, and we'll choose the activity settings. Press the GPS. And from here, we should see metronome. Press the GPS button, can turn it on like that. And now from here, we can set up the beats per minute, the alert frequency, and we can customize the sounds, either get a vibration or tone, or just make it tone or vibration only. And if you want, you can select preview to see what this sounds like. And there you go. Let's go back. And there you go. So now when you're going to start the run activity, this feature will be turned on and will behave the way that you just set it up. And basically that is it. That is how you set up the metronome. And if you want to turn it off, you basically go back to your settings and just turn it off like that. And there you go. That is quickly how to set up the metronome on one of your activity profiles on the Garmin Instinct.